Hello dear friends, this is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to change the text size on your iPhone. We can change the font through the settings of our iPhone. To do that, we go here, Settings, then we go a little bit lower and find the item Accessibility. You open that item, then we click on Display and Text Size. There are a lot of settings for our text that you can change. For example, you can click on the size and change it. You can also enable underlining of all text. There is also an option that makes the font bolder and more saturated. This is the kind of method that helps you to change the text on your iPhone. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There's nothing complicated about it. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later, friends.